In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's quickly check how we can implement it. So we have nums array. Let me define few array elements 1, 0, 1, 1, and then we have k equals to 1. And then I will create object. This is my object. I will start from I will be 0 to I will go till less than n, I plus plus. And what is I here? So what is n here? So n is basically the size of the array. Now when I am visiting the array, I will check if my element is defined or not. So if it is defined, so I will say that not equals to undefined. Why I'm saying not equals to undefined? That means it is defined. So if it is undefined, I will check if the current element minus object of nums of I is less than equals to a. If it is, I will simply return true. Okay. And here, if it is not defined, so what I will do, I will simply define it. So object of nums of I equals to I. So I will define it. Right. Here I need to return true. Okay. Suppose if I'm not able to find the answer, in the last I will return false. I will return. So this is how you can solve this problem. In the next video, we will see how we can do a quick dry run of this code. So see you in the next video.